You are a ruby dealer, right? So we are sapphire dealer. So we don't normally do rubies. But when it's come to the Mozambique unheated, this color, how much we should have to give for them?
1 carat size.
Yes. Do you have any stone to match this?
This is Mozambique.
Mozambique.
I have better than this in 2 carat.
2 carat? No. No 1 carat. You don't have any 1 carat.
2 carat, 2 carat, 2 carat.
This is 2 carat. No. How much this one? This is unheated or heated?
Unheated.
Unheated. How much this one per carat? මේක ලක්ෂ 30න් උඩ 25න් උඩ.
I'm selling $6,000 for a whole piece.
දැක්ක? ඒ කියන්නේ කීයද? ලක්ෂ 18යි. වටිනවා. $6,000 for the whole piece. Wait, I'll see.
We got the same name, huh?
So yes. දැන් මේකේ පොඩි ස්මෝක් එකක් එනවා ලාවට. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇතුලේ ගල ඇතුලේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මොසැම්බික් ගල වල එනවා. ස්මෝක් එක එනවා. ඒ ස්මෝක් එක ආව කියලා දෙයක් නැහැ. ගල ක්වොලිටි. ෆෙදර්ස් නෙමෙයි ස්මෝක් එකක් එන්නේ. ෆෙදර්ස් සමහරක දෙනවා මේ ඩැමේජ්. හැබැයි මේ ගල හොඳයි ආ. ඊට වැඩි කියන්න හොඳ නෑ දැන් නේ. හොඳයි කියලා. It's relatively okay stone, but you all have saved the weight, right? What's the best price that you can give? So what color you can get for this?
Red,
is it pinkish red? Pinkish red, or you can't take vivid red for this?
No, how can?
Pinkish red day. Unheated. How much you can go for, like maximum with discount?
I saw you like you are serious buyer, so I give you actual price, selling price.
6,000 for the stone.
Yeah. I think you know about the quality very well.
ඒක කියනවා හැමෝම. ඒක තමයි වටින්නේ. දැන් මෙයාට කියලා තියෙන්නේ. මෙයා බලනකොට. But I won't like. I feel like it's almost like say 4,000 like that, you know. මේ ගල හොඳ ක්ලීන් නා. ඒ කියන්නේ එහෙම අවුලන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලන් බලන්න ඕන ෂේප් එක මේක ලං කරලා බලන්න ඕනේ.
This 2.02, this one I can give you for 4,000.
No. Only thing is this one has, you know, the purple hue.
I don't have to explain you.
Okay, sir. Anyway, so you don't have this one. And what is the, like, you are a ruby dealer, right? So we are sapphire dealer. So we don't normally do rubies. But when it's come to the Mozambique unheated, this color, how much we should have to give for them?
For 1 carat size.
Yes.
This stone is not so nice actually.
Okay.
I don't like this stone.
Okay.
Because this
අපේ ඔළුව කඩනවා නේ.
silky from inside, window.
Okay.
So not my taste.
How much normally?
This lots should be in the lots, you know. It's not.
Maybe 1,000 a carat.
Can I see this? Okay.
Yeah. Balloon kiyada කියන්නේ. හල balloon. Because she is looking for a pair. That's the thing. She wanted to make 2 earring, you know, earring unheated.
Nice stone.
Yeah, that's her. අන්න දැක්ක දැන් මූණට කිව්වා දැන්.
Color is attractive.
Yeah, attractive color, no?
Yeah, you pay 1,000 if you can get.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Umesh. Umesh, sir. Thank you for your word.